Hey everybody, this is David from G4 Guitar School in Lake Forest with another video lesson. In today's lesson we're going to be taking a look at rhythm playing and how to strum and play the eighth note rhythm. So let's look at what we've done so far to find out where the eighth note is coming from, and then we'll look at how we're going to be playing it. So we've initially looked at what we call quarter note rhythm, which is where if I take a G chord, okay, and we strum a downstroke, one strum with each beat of 4 beats. So a quarter note rhythm would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can hear if our metronome is clicking this. 2, 3, 4. It's one strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our one strum per click, or our quarter note rhythm. Now, let's talk about the eighth note rhythm. So the eighth note rhythm, okay, has another stroke with it. Okay, so if we examine our quarter note strumming pattern that we're using, and I'm using a G chord so I can hit all the strings and not worry about it. Okay, so if we look at our hand, and watch what happens if I change the count as I'm moving my arm up and down. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I change the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Hopefully what you can see is when I say and, 1 and, my arm is coming back up. 1 and gets ready to play the 2. 2 and ready for 3. 3 and ready for 4. Okay. So when we do that, our arm, when we're playing quarter note rhythms, 1, 2, 3, 4, our arm is already playing an eighth note rhythm. Because an eighth note rhythm is counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's your eighth note rhythm. So an eighth note rhythm comes from a quarter note divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, so my 1 becomes 1 and. There's 2 parts to it. Here's my 1, 1, then 1 and. 2 parts. So what we do is, to strum an eighth note rhythm, simply we connect with the string with our strumming arm in both directions. So we would end up with this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Now if our metronome is playing along, we're only going to hear a click on the downstroke. So it's going to be click, 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 because we want our metronome to be clicking quarter notes. Okay, let's do that again. So our metronome is clicking this: 1, 2, 3, 4. We have click and, sorry, I missed it. Click and, click and, click and, click and. Now we put the count in, we end up with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our eighth note rhythm. So I hope this is useful to you. If you have questions, let me know by email or phone, and we'll talk much more in the lessons about this. Thanks so much. Bye bye.